Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered if it is just empty space or if behind it lies a structure, a layered system, a world of order? 1400 years ago, the Quran invited humanity to reflect on the heavens not as a flat ceiling but as a layered creation. Today, modern science also speaks of layers in the sky, from the atmosphere to the magnetic shield, and even beyond, into the universe itself. In this discussion, we will try to understand the concept of the seven heavens. What does the Quran say about them? How did early scholars interpret them? And what has modern science revealed about the layered reality of the cosmos? In the Quran, the word as-samawat appears many times, often alongside the number 7. For example, "It is He who created for you all that is on the earth, then He turned to the heaven and fashioned them into 7 heavens, and He has knowledge of all things." This is in Surah Al-Baqarah. In Surah Al-Mulk, it is said, "He who created 7 heavens one above the other." In Surah Fusilat, "So He completed them into 7 heavens in 2 days, and revealed to each heaven its command." In Surah Nuh, "Do you not see how Allah created 7 heavens in layers, and made the moon a light in their midst, and made the sun a lamp?" And in Surah At-Talaq, "It is Allah who created 7 heavens and of the earth the like of them. His command descends between them." According to early commentators, 2 points were important. First, in Arabic, the number 7 can indicate completion and abundance, but in these verses most scholars accepted it as a real 7. Second, the Quran describes the heavens as layered, in perfect order, though the full reality is known only to Allah. What humans see are only signs pointing to this layered system. Let us now see how science describes the skies above us. Our planet is surrounded by an atmosphere that is divided into layers, each with its own characteristics. The lowest is the troposphere, where we live and where weather takes place. Rain, clouds, winds all happen here. Above it is the stratosphere, containing the ozone layer that protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, life would not survive. Higher up is the mesosphere, the cold region where most meteors burn up. Above that lies the thermosphere, where the beautiful auroras occur, caused by solar particles interacting with Earth's magnetic field. Finally comes the exosphere, the thin outer layer where the atmosphere merges into space. Sometimes scientists also describe the ionosphere and the magnetosphere as distinct protective regions. The Quran says, "It is He who created 7 heavens in layers." These words direct our attention to a system of layers, which modern science also confirms again and again. Beyond the atmosphere is the magnetosphere, Earth's magnetic shield. It deflects deadly solar winds and cosmic radiation. The Quran says, "And we made the sky a protected ceiling, yet they turn away from its signs." This protection is not a simple ceiling but a multi-layered system. The idea of layers is not limited to Earth. The Earth itself has layers: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Stars are surrounded by layered disks of gas and dust. Galaxies also have structures: disk, bulge, and halo. The universe shows layer upon layer of design. The Quran's phrase 7 heavens points us toward this universal order. Some ask, is the number 7 symbolic or literal? In the Quran, 7 sometimes indicates perfection, yet because it repeatedly speaks of 7 heavens in layers, many scholars understood it literally. The exact reality belongs to Allah alone. But what humans observe is that the universe is layered in every way. Why does the Quran show us these signs? First, to inspire awe. Surah Al-Mulk says, "You will not find any flaw in the creation of the Most Merciful. Look again, do you see any cracks?" Second, to make us reflect and learn. Surah Al-Araf says, "Do they not look into the dominion of the heavens and the earth?" Third, to make us grateful. Every layer of the sky is designed for our safety and survival. Let us look at some examples. Consider the ozone layer. In the 20th century, humans damaged it, but when action was taken, it healed. This shows how vital this protective system is. Consider the auroras. The dancing lights in the sky are not just beautiful, they are signs of the Earth's shield at work. Think also of meteors burning in the mesosphere. Every day, thousands of rocks fall toward Earth, but most burn up before reaching us. This is protection in action. The Quran's words, "a protected ceiling," are alive before our eyes. When linking Quran and science, we should stay balanced. We must not force the Quran to fit science. Where harmony appears, we rejoice. Where knowledge is lacking, we remember the verse. And of knowledge, you have been given but little. Tonight, when you look at the sky, remember that it is filled with wisdom in every layer. Air, light, rain, weather, protection. Everything works in balance. The Quran says, "And in your own selves do you not see?" And also, "Indeed in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of night and day are signs for those of understanding." These words make the heart overflow with gratitude and wonder. The seven heavens are not just words, they are a sign, a reminder, and a call to reflect. They guide us to faith, to knowledge, and to thankfulness. So whenever you raise your eyes to the sky, see it as a sign of Allah's creation.